I'm sitting down today because I'm not feeling all up to it, but behind me here, I've got a 2013 Honda Pilot in desperate need of a taillight. But before I go on, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and as long as you check out my channel content for more, I'd be more than happy. I did just get my wisdom teeth out, so keep that in mind when you're listening to my awful voice talk today. But this 2013 Honda Pilot is in desperate need of a taillight because the original one was starting to fail at the seal. It's a very simple process to do, and I mean, I don't know what else I can say besides let's get right into it. So, let's do it.
Start by opening the hatch. Using an 8mm, I'm going to remove this upper. And lower. Screws holding the light housing in place. Now I'm going to pop the light housing up and out just by pushing it straight up and out like that. Disconnect this harness right here using the little nut driver I brought out. This will just slide right out just like that. Remove the side marker, the reverse, the brake light, and I think that's the turn signal. And just like that, this old one is out. Like I was going to drop it there for a sec. I can compare the new and the old one. So as we look, same mounting points. We got the one, this here, both of them. We have these. I got to remove these and move them over, but otherwise everything else looks the same. I mean, I don't see any differences. We have 3 lights here, 3, 1, 1, all good. Looks like we have these pieces that need to come off. So I'm gonna just carefully remove those from the old light housing. There's 2. And as we see, the reason why we're replacing this is because this housing doesn't actually seal. This would be a good time to change out these bulbs. I don't have to do that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take these, put them back in. And as I said, right now is a good time to change out these bulbs. So making sure that they all work. Let's check them. Let's try replacing this one. There we go. So let's try them. We got brake lights. Take my phone out of my pocket, it's buzzing too much. Okay, take the reverse, stick it in the reverse hole. Sorry, my phone's buzzing so much. It's just bothering me. Take this light here, check it. Okay, this one goes right here. There we go. Running lamp and brake bulb. Set that in this hole. Turn signal. Pull that one out. We can set that one in this hole. Now they're all in, putting the harness right back where it goes. So kind of guiding it to where it goes and then putting the clip right back in where it goes as well. Now that that's all in, we can check it once and then set it up.
There. Got 2 lights. Got 2 lights.
Now I can just slide it into place. take the 8mm screw. Tighten it in. There we go. Nom 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 nom. Meow.
Not that difficult to replace the taillight housing on a 2013 Honda Pilot. Now it's probably best recommended to replace all of the light bulbs while you're in there, considering you're already pulling it all apart, so why not? Well, I mean, it's a simple process, and I don't know what else to say besides it's pretty simple. My dog wants to lick my leg at the moment. She can say hi. Hello. But I hope you enjoyed this video. As normal, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Check out my channel content for more, and hey, have fun. Oh, you want to take a hi? You want to say hi? Oh.